Hi, boys and girls. Today's story is called Earning, Spending, Saving, and it goes along with our economics unit that we've been working through, reading about how we can earn money, how we save money, and what we spend it on. We are going to do an echo read of this story, so we'll go my turn, your turn. I'll say the words, and then you repeat the words after me as we're reading through the text. We're going to use the picture supports that go along with the words to help us as we read through the story, and then we'll complete the activity at the end. All right, so again, echo read, so my turn, your turn. Ready? Where do people get money? What do people do with money? People can earn money by working. People can earn money by helping others. People can choose to spend their money. People can choose to save their money. People spend money on things they need. People spend money on things they want. Remember, my turn, your turn. People save money by keeping it in a safe place. People save money at the bank. People save money at home. Do you earn money? Do you save or spend money? The end. Very nice job. All right, let's go back and look through our text. All right, so it says, where do people get money? So what are some things that people do to get money? Yeah, they might have a job that they go to earn money. Maybe they work at a store or a restaurant. Maybe they work at an office or a school. Those are all jobs that people could have that earn money. Kids sometimes can earn money by doing chores around the house. Some things you have to do anyway. But there are some special chores you might be able to do to earn a little bit of money for yourself. You'd have to talk to mom and dad. What do people do with their money? Yeah, so they can either spend it or they can save it. There are different things that people can spend it on. So people can choose to spend their money on things that they need, or they can choose to spend it on things that they want. So what are things that you need that you would have to spend money on? Yeah, it's right. You might have to spend money on food. You may have to go grocery shopping. You have to spend money there, but that's a need. We need food to live. Yeah, you have to spend it on your house, so having a shelter, a place to live. That's a need. Clothing to wear is a need. Right? But there are also things we could spend money on that are things that we want. What's something that you might want that you could spend money on? Yeah, so new toys, new video games. Those are all things that are wants. We don't need them, but they are really nice. And we could spend money on them if we have extra money. Another thing you could do with your money is save your money. So maybe there's something big that you're saving up for, either a need or a want. You can save your money until you have enough to get it. There are different places that people save their money. People can save their money in a bank, which is a safe place to keep your money. Or people might have a safe spot at home where they keep their money. You might have a piggy bank where you keep your money. Those are safe places to keep your money. So after listening to our story, we are going to complete this activity is posted on Seesaw for you. And we're going to use some words from our story to complete the sentences. So the words that we're going to use are these ones right here. We have money, and you can say them after me. Ready? Money, spend, earn, want, save. Okay? And we're going to use those to complete these sentences. So number 1 says, people earn blank by working. What did it say you could earn by working? Yeah, and if we're not sure, we can always go back to the text. Okay, but it says right here, people can earn money by working. Right? Number 2, people blank money by helping others. Well, again, we can go right back to the text. Right? And look for helping others. So it says people can earn money by helping others. So I'd look for that word earn, and I'm going to fill it in the blank. Okay? We'll continue with the rest of the sentences using those words to fill in the blank to show our understanding of the text. Thank you for listening.